Moo. There's my sister smoking. Nah, she's eating chocolate. And here is a cricket that I'm going to eat. Alright. So, good luck. Oh!
Can we go to IHOP?
Dude,
Yeah, we can.
it feels like it's calling in my mouth.
There is a parking. I'm going here, so we can go on pee-pee. Come on.
And then we can
Yeah.
maybe eat.
Yes, come on, come on.
There's a place
I want you to pee.
Whoa. It tastes good. The cricket tastes good.
What over there? That part.
But it's like moving in my mouth.
And that it's not gonna eat. Go straight. Go straight.
Oh, God.
Go straight. Like
Okay, we are in IHOP, and I have a question for my mom. Okay, if you could bring one friend of mine, who would you bring?
Joseph, Anthony, Jackie. Hi, Nai. Only one? Only one?
Yeah.
Only one?
Yeah.
Jackie, this is the quiet type. Oh, no. First of all, Michelle. Because I want Michelle to see California, Los Angeles. The second one would be Jackie. Because Jackie is the quiet type, you know. Hold on, wait now, okay? Jackie is the quiet type, you know. I want her to be sociable, more, you know, go and see places. I'm sorry, Jackie, okay? That's been inviting you a lot of times already with me and Julianne, right, Julie? And yeah, and next could be Joseph and Anthony.
Oh yeah, Joseph.
Joseph and Anthony, okay, both of them, because they're really perky, they're bubbly, you know, they're always. Okay, that's it.
Oh, there's the question of the day. Cinnamon pancakes.
No, I want to share with you.
So me and my sister are taking pictures right near the Fisherman's Wharf here. It's like really cold. And pretty much, it's a really cool place. And look. Aww. Doggy. But yeah, we're just here. Water. Just gonna see how close we can go without getting wet. Stay cool.
Weinstein Gallery.
Streets of San Francisco. Alright guys, I have something really cool to show you. I don't have to pee though, but I'll show you. So pretty much, here's a urinal. So you stand here and the water comes out. And you might need to pee. The water's right here. That's pretty cool, right? Bye-bye. One hot fudge sundae for me, and well, a small slice of chocolate cake.
A small slicey.
A picture